Well, hello, this is Tracy with Lindy Stamp Gang.
And this is Kate, the Lindy's coordinator. And we are so excited to bring you today an amazing hop between Alex Syberia Designs and Lindy Stamp Gang. So you all know how hops work. We sent the Alex Syberia team some of our amazing new Lindy's Shakers 2.0 and of course a few other goodies. And Alex Syberia Designs sent us some gorgeous stamps and stencils and die cuts, and our wonderful designers have just created some real magic using products from both companies, showing you a range of styles and techniques, and we can't wait to share these with you. So make sure you check out all of the fantastic designs shown in the YouTube videos that I've outlined in the description. Hop along with us, learn some new techniques, get some ideas, and of course we'll be giving away 4 gift vouchers over the hop, 2 from each company to a value of $25 each, so that you can learn some new stuff, have a bit of fun, chat to the designers, and go into the draw to win one of our 4 $25 gift vouchers. We can't wait to see what you think of all the beautiful creations that our amazing designers have created for you, and we have had so much fun working with the team from Alex Syberia Designs. So come along and hop with us and enjoy the Time to Choose Magic hop between Lindy Stamp Gang and Alex Syberia Designs.